How to change app icon color. Back to normal on iPhone. Tap and hold anywhere on your home screen where there isn't an app. You can also tap and hold directly on any app icon. From the menu that appears, tap on Edit Home Screen. Now tap the Edit button that shows up in the top left corner. Select the second option to customize your home screen. On the right-hand side, you'll see that the app icons are tinted. Move the slider to adjust or reset. To return to normal, choose Automatic, Light, or Dark depending on your preference. Automatic will switch between light and dark modes based on the time of day. You can also tap the sun icon at the top left to adjust the background brightness. Once you've made your selection, tap anywhere outside to exit. Your app icons will now appear with their normal colors.